pengertian nouns. A noun in English is a component part of the speech that vocation to call both physical, human, animal, plants of that thing, an abstract title, name, and the like. A noun is a word used to name or call people, object, place, and idea. In other words, it refers to physical, matter, and abstract contents. The nouns can be modeled in words like this below. Ada dua, benda fisik sama konsep abstrak. Benda fisik contoh table, house, pond, floor, water. Konsep abstrak theme, idea, opinions. From the foregoing can be seen that nouns refer not only physical object but also to abstract concept found in the world. Example nouns. Yang pertama, elan. Your father even offered you land if you will come down here to see. Ini artinya, ayahmu bahkan menawarimu tanah jika kamu datang ke sini untuk tinggal. Yang kedua, water. She heard the gurgling water before the creek into view. Artinya, dia mendengar air yang mendengung di depan sungai kecil. Yang ketiga, book. They put the books down and slowly stood. Artinya, mereka meletakkan buku itu dan perlahan berdiri. Yang keempat, table. My friend is playing tennis. Artinya, temanku sedang bermain tenis. Yang kelima, host. I host a layout a garden. Artinya saya membangun rumah dan teman.
In English grammar, nouns are divided into two types, namely, number 1, concrete noun, tangible nouns. Concrete noun is a visible and palpable nouns. For example, pencil, table, man, woman, and others. Konkret noun adalah kata benda yang dapat dilihat, berwujud, dan dapat diraba. Misalnya pensil, meja, laki-laki, perempuan, dan lain-lain. Concrete noun are divided into three types including number 1, material noun. Material noun is a noun that states material be the raw material or raw materials, meaning goods and the like. For example, silver, gold, iron, water, and diamond. Number 2, collective noun. Collective noun is a noun that represent a group or group of people and animal or things. For example, team, audience, cattle, and crowd. Number 3, proper noun. Proper noun is a noun or noun that indicates a certain person, place, thing, or event, which is attached to and has a special meaning in the noun and always begins with a capital letters. For example, George, Maria, person name, Japan, country names, Tokyo, Paris, city names, and Indonesian university school name. Material noun adalah kata benda yang menyatakan bahan, baik itu bahan baku, bahan mentah, atau barang tambang dan sejenisnya. Misalnya silver, perak, gold, emas, iron, besi, water, air, dan diamond, permata. Sedangkan collective noun adalah kata benda yang menyatakan suatu kumpulan atau kelompok orang, binatang, atau benda. Contohnya tim, hadirin, kawanan ternak, keramaian orang. Yang ketiga, proper noun adalah suatu nomina atau kata benda yang menunjukkan orang, tempat, atau kejadian tertentu yang sudah melekat dan punya arti khusus pada nomina tersebut dan selalu diawali oleh huruf besar. Misalnya, George dan Maria itu nama orang, Jepang nama negara, Tokyo, Paris nama kota, dan Universitas Indonesia itu nama sekolah. Number 2, abstract noun, intangible nouns. Abstract noun is a noun is intangible, invisible, and be touched but can only be imagined. For example, association, application, convenience, kindness, and principle. Abstrak noun adalah kata benda yang tidak berwujud, tidak dapat dilihat, tidak dapat diraba, dan hanya bisa dibayangkan. Misalnya asosiasi, aplikasi, kebaikan, dan persahabatan. Abstract noun can be formed from adjective, verb, or even the object itself. For adjective, dullness, honesty, patience. From a verb, difference, recovery, admonition. From the nouns, friendship, brotherhood. Abstrak noun dapat dibentuk dari kata kerja, kata sifat, atau bahkan benda itu sendiri. Contoh dari kata sifat yaitu kebodohan, kejujuran, kesabaran. Contoh dari kata kerja yaitu perbedaan, pemulihan, dan kekaguman. Contoh dari kata benda yaitu persahabatan dan persaudaraan.
Countable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns or things that can be counted in unit of number usually. Object or thing that are countable nouns are solid or tangible. Countable nouns have a singular and plural. From in the singular, countable nouns are usually preceded by or and an. Example of countable noun sentence. Some example of countable nouns are as follow. 1. She is not reading a magazine. 2. The university students are clever. 3. The vase on the table. 4. My diary in the cupboard. Next, uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns or nouns that cannot be counted always make the verb in a sentence singular. Uncountable nouns is a noun denoting the name of a thing that cannot be counted with numbers. Example of uncountable noun sentence. 1. The fabric is made from silk. 2. I have some water. 3. I had a bowl of pasta for lunch. 4. Michael dyed his hair blue. 5. We can measure food like cake, bread, pizza, meat, and cheese in pieces.